Now one more part of the basics for subtraction, that is vinculum. So vinculum, what is the use of this vinculum and how it can be established? Now see here, suppose a number is like this, 3 1 bar, 3 1 bar. Okay, actually this is not a normal number. Okay, and the bar which is above the number, I said 1 bar, right? The bar which I am writing above the number, this symbol is known as vinculum. This symbol is known as vinculum, and in subtraction this vinculum bar represents the negative thing. That means the 1 is not a positive one here, that is a negative one, and the part which doesn't have the bar, that is a positive one. So what is the purpose of this number? Now let us see. Suppose 33 1 bar means 3 is in tens place, so 30 1 bar is nothing but minus 1. So what is 30 minus 1? 29. That means the actual number is 29, but we are representing this number in the form of vinculum like this. Suppose we'll take one more example, 4 3 bar 6 bar, 4 3 bar 6 bar. Now what does this mean? I want to convert this vinculum number into the normal number. Okay, how to convert? First see here, just like I said, okay, 400 minus 36. So what is 400 minus 36? 364. So 364. But suppose if I write some big number like this, 5 3 4 5 3 bar 4 bar 8 bar 2 bar. Okay, so writing again some 50,000 minus 3,482, it is a lengthy one. How can we write this vinculum number? How can we convert this vinculum number, or how can we convert this negative number, negative complement number, into the normal number? Okay, within a single step. See here, to convert the vinculum number into the normal number, okay, you have to reduce the bar number before number. That means the bar number is how much? 3482. This is the bar number. Okay, before number is 5. So you have to reduce this 5 by 1 every time. Whatever be the digit that is before vinculum number, you have to reduce by 1. So 5 becomes how much? Now it becomes 4. So what are the numbers here? 3 4 8 2. All the numbers are having vinculum, or all the numbers having bar on the numbers. That means you have to convert this one into normal numbers by applying the previous, just now we discussed previous sutra, that is Nikhilam Nartaha Charmam Dastaha, all from 9, last from 10. So for these numbers you have to apply that sutra. So apply all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1, but last from 10 exactly. So 10 minus 2 8. This is your answer. In the meanwhile, you may get some doubt why we are discussing this all from 9, last from 10, and this vinculum, okay, all these things. So these are very, very important for the coming subtraction methods. That's why I am discussing here. Anyhow, you should be thorough, you should be perfect with this vinculum as well as all from 9, last from 10, so that it will be easy for you in the further subtraction methods. Anyhow, one more example. Suppose if a number is like this, 3 6 bar 4 bar 2. I want to convert this number into normal way, right? Just now I said what? The bar before number should be reduced by 1. So here, what is the bar before number? 3. So 3 is reduced by 1. How much it will become? 2. But here only bar is only for 2 numbers, that is 2 digits, that is 6 and 4. So apply all from 9, last from 10 for these 2 numbers. There are only 2 numbers. So for the first number it will be 9 minus 6, but second number it will be 10 minus 4. So how much it will be? 3 6. And drop this 2 as it is. Why? Because it doesn't have any bar on that number, right? It is not a vinculum number. It is a normal number only. It is a normal digit only. So just drop it as it is. So your answer is this one. One more example. 5 3 bar 2 1 bar 6. I want to convert this one. How much it will become? 5 becomes 4. Why? Because its next number is bar number. That's why I am reducing the before number by 1. Now there is only one digit which is having a bar on it. If only one digit having bar on it, you just apply the complement, nothing but tens complement. So what is the tens complement for this 3? 7. Okay, now again 2. So 2 I have to reduce it by 1. Again, why? Because its next number is complement, that is a Vinculum number. So 2 becomes 1. Here also only one number which is only one digit which is having a bar on it, which is having Vinculum on it. So you can directly go with the complement, that is 9, 6. So 4, 7, 1, 9, 6. And finally one example I will tell you. Suppose 540076, 4 bar and 7 bar. So now what will you think? So the answer is 460036. Is it the answer you got? But it is actually wrong. If you observe, okay, there are zeros, 2 zeros which are in between two non-zero numbers, two non-zero digits. Okay, whenever zeros are coming, whenever even 10 or 20, it doesn't matter, but whenever zeros are coming in between two non-zero digits, further zeros also the complement will apply, that is the Vinculum will apply. That means this number is same like 54007 total bar 6. So the Vinculum is also applied for these two zeros also. Why? Because they are in between two non-zero digits which are having the Vinculum. Okay, so now what is the answer for this one? 5 becomes 4, and this number you can directly apply all from 9 last from 10. So how much? 5, 9, 9, 3 and 6 as it is 6. So this will be your answer, right? So this is what about Vinculum. Now we'll go into actual subtractions, okay, with the help of which we can do the maths, especially subtractions, very easier way by following the methods of all from 9 last from 10, that is Nikilam Navtaha, Charmandastaha and Vinculum. Now, so we got the basics of subtraction. Before starting subtractions actually, okay, I will give one more basic one, that is, suppose if you are subtracting 7 minus 4, if you are subtracting 7 minus 4, of course I know the answer is 3. I know that you also know the answer is 3, but you know there are some specific terms for this subtraction. Suppose the above number, below number and the answer, there are specific terms for this numbers or digits. So the above number, that is 7, okay, which we are subtracting from, is known as minuend, is known as minuend. That means the number which we are subtracting from is known as minuend, and the number which we are subtracting, that is a below one, we call it as subtrahend. We call it as subtrahend. Once again I repeat, the number which we are subtracting from, that is the above number, we call it as minuend, and the number which we are subtracting is known as subtrahend. Anyhow, the answer which we got is known as difference, or we can call it as remainder also. Difference or remainder. Okay. Now suppose 7 minus 4, yes, it is possible, we wrote the answer directly 3. Suppose if I write like this, 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7, this time is the subtraction practically possible? Suppose for example you have 4 rupees, okay, and your friend came and asked you to give 7 rupees. So you don't have 7 rupees with you, so giving is not possible, subtraction is not possible practically. Okay, so in such type of conditions, okay, what we are going to do, we are going to subtract the above number from the below number. That means we are going to subtract the 4 from 7, which is a subtrahend, and we are going to write the answer as 3, but for 3 along we are going to put a bar on it. Why? Because we did the negative one, we did the negative subtraction. So 7 minus 4, minus 7 and 4, the result is 3, but with a bar on it, that is 3 bar, right? Fine. So we are done with the basics. Now we will start the actual subtractions in an easier way. First, we will start with double digit minus single digit. Okay, by applying Vinculum Sutra. So we will take one example, 24 minus 7. Now, just like I said, okay, we are in Vedic maths, especially additions or subtractions, we are not going to do from right to left, which is the conventional way, but here we are going to do from left to right. Now you see, is there any digit below 2? There is nothing. So we will just drop 2 as it is. Okay, now you tell me 4 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 4? No, it is not possible. So what I say, when subtraction is not possible for the digits just like 4 minus 7, okay, you go for the reverse subtraction, that is subtract 4 from 7. Yes, you are listening in a right way only. Okay, you subtract 4 from 7, right? How much will you get? 3, but with a bar on it. Why? Because we did the reverse subtraction. It is a negative one. Okay, yes or no? We did the reverse subtraction. We did not 4 minus 7. We did 7 minus 4, but putting a bar on it. That means it is a negative 1. Its meaning is a negative 1. Now it is 2, 3 bar. Okay, previously we discussed how to convert a Vinculum number into a normal number. Now we got one Vinculum number with the subtraction. Okay, now you convert into this number into the normal number. How much will you get? Just like I said, the bar before number should be reduced by 1, always. So 2 becomes 1. So bar is having only for 1 digit. If bar is having, or if the Vinculum is having only for 1 digit, what we will do? We will take the complement of that one. So what is the complement of 3? 7. So your answer is 17. Now we'll take one more example. Suppose 36 minus 4. I want to subtract 36 minus 4. Just like the same way, start from left to right. So drop 3 as it is. Since there is no digit in below that one, I am dropping 3. Now 6 minus 4. Yes, it is possible. So directly you can write 2. So answer is 32. When the subtraction is not possible, then only we have to subtract the above number from the below number by putting a bar on it. Okay, just like this example. But if the subtraction is practically directly possible, okay, you can directly subtract it, so that you will get the answer directly. No need of even converting the number. One more example. Suppose you tell me now 47 minus 9 I want to subtract. So drop this 4 as it is. Okay, and 7 minus 9 not possible. So go reverse. 9 minus 7. How much? 2. But yes, with a bar on it. Now what is the normal number? Convert this number. 4 becomes 3. What is the 2 complement? 8. So your answer is 38. Okay, so like this we can do double digit minus single digit. So we have seen the double digit minus single digit subtraction. Now we are going to do double minus double. So double digit minus double digit. Suppose, for example, let us take 43 minus 27. I want to do 43 minus 27. Again, the same way, we have to start from the left to right. So what is 4 minus 2? Yes, 2. Just drop the 2 as it is. Now, 3 minus 7. Is it possible 3 minus 7? No, it is not possible. So what we are going, if the subtraction is not possible, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract in the reverse manner. That is 7 minus 3. We are going to subtract the minus end from subtrahend. So how much will you get the result? 4, but yes, with a bar on it. Now we got the answer as 2 4 bar. Now what is the actual normal number for this one? Convert the Vinculum number into normal number. How much will you get? Anyway, we know that bar before number should be reduced by 1. So 2 becomes 1. Now if the bar is only for the 1 digit, we are going to write the complement for that one. That is 4 bar converting, after converting it will become 6. So what is our answer? 16. One more example. Suppose 67 minus 19. So same way we will do little fast for this one. So what is 6 minus 1? 5. Yes, we will write 5 here. Now 7 minus 9, not possible. So do 9 minus 7. So how much will get? 2, but with a bar on it. So 5 becomes 4. Now 2 complement is 8. So what is our answer? 48. Similarly 37 minus 14. So 3 minus 1 is 2. But okay, we will write 2 here. Now what is 7 minus 4? 3. So directly subtraction is possible. So we are going to write the answer directly. No need of even converting the number. Why? Because it is not a Vinculum number. We have got the answer directly. So in such a easy way we can do the double digit minus double digit. And lastly, one more example I will tell you for this one. What is that example? Suppose if we take 46 minus 16. So what is 4 minus 1? 3. Will be 3 only. 6 minus 6? Yes, it is practically possible. So simply directly put a 0. That will be your answer. Right. Like this we can do the double digit minus double digit. So now we will see triple digit minus double digit. Suppose 348 minus 26. I want to subtract 348 minus 26. Now same way, start from left to right, drop 3 as it is. So what is 4 minus 2? So directly you can subtract 2. What is 8 minus 6? 2. That's it, simply 322. 436 minus 47. I want to subtract 436 minus 47. Start from left to right, drop 4 as it is. Why? Because there is nothing, there is no digit below 4. That's why I am dropping simply 4 as it is. Now 3 minus 4, is it possible? No, it is not possible. So go reverse. What is 4 minus 3? 1. But don't forget, every time when you are doing the reverse subtraction, don't forget to put a bar on it. If you forget to put the bar on it, you are going to get the wrong answer. So be cautious. Okay. Now, so 6 minus 7, not possible. So do reverse subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1, but with a bar on it. Now I got 4, 1, 1 bar. Now how to convert this one into the normal number? Just like we said, the bar before number should be reduced by 1. So 4 becomes 3. Now there are two numbers continuously which are having bars on it. Okay, just like we discussed, whenever the vinculum or whenever the bars are having the numbers in the continuous numbers, whenever the numbers are having continuously with the bars on it, we will apply the all from 9, last from 10. Okay, once again I am telling, whenever the numbers are getting continuously bars on them, apply all from 9 and last from 10. Now there are two numbers continuously which are having bars on it, that is which is having vinculum on it. So just apply all from 9 last from 10 for these two numbers. So first number will be subtracted from 9. Now what is 9 minus 1? 8. And the second number will be subtracted from 10. So what is 10 minus 1? 9. So your answer is 389. One more example. 572 minus 81. So fine, we will drop as it is. 7 minus 8, not possible. So with a 1 bar on it. Why? Because by reversing the subtraction, 8 minus 7. Now what is 2 minus 1? Yes, practically possible. Directly you can put. Now we got the answer 5, 1 bar, 1. Now how to convert this one? Anyway, the same way. 1 bar. Bar before number should be reduced by 1, that is 4. 1 bar complement is 9. And 1 as it is, you can drop. So what is the answer? 491. And one more example. 762 minus 39. I want to subtract 762 minus 39. So drop 7 as it is. 6 minus 3. Yes, directly you can drop 3. Now 2 minus 9, not possible. So do reverse subtraction, that is 9 minus 2. So what is it? 7, but with a bar on it. So what is the answer now you are going to get? 73. The bar before number is how much? 73. Subtract. So bar before number we will reduce by 1. So 73 becomes 72. Now, so bar number 7. So what is the complement? 3. So what is your answer? 723. So like that we can do triple digit minus double digit. Now we are going to discuss triple digit minus triple digit. Now coming to triple digit minus triple digit, the same way we can go through. Suppose 436 minus 218. I want to subtract this one. 436 minus 2, 18. So start from left. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Drop it as it is. 3 minus 1. Directly you can do 2. Now 6 minus 8. It is not possible. So we will go reverse. 8 minus 6. 2 with a bar on it. Now I want to convert the Vinculum number into the normal number. So how we will convert? In the same way, just like we did, the bar before number is how much? 22. So reduce 22 by 1. How much it will become? 21. Now what is the complement of 2? 8. So what is our answer? 218. One more example. 749 minus 283. So 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. 4 minus 8, not possible. So do 8 minus 4. That will be 4 bar. Reverse subtraction. So 9 minus 3, directly you can write 6. If the subtraction is possible, we will write directly. If the subtraction is not possible, then only we will go for the reverse subtraction and going to write the answer with a bar on it. That is nothing but Vinculum. Now 5, 4 bar, 6. Now you tell me. So 5 become, okay, the bar before number will become reduced by 1 and this is the complement 6 and 6 as it is. So what is our answer? 466. Same way, suppose 534 minus 238. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3 but 3 only. 3 minus 3 will be 0. No problem. So 4 minus 8 not possible. So 8 minus 4 is 4 bar. So we got 304 bar. Right. Now, anyway, bar before number is 30. Reduced by 1, how much will become? 29. So 4 complement is 6. So what is our answer? 296. 758 minus 254. So 7 minus 2, 5 will be 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. Directly we got the answer, 504. So like this we can do triple minus triple. Next we will see any number minus any number or any digit number minus any digit number. Even the 10 digits or 20 digits doesn't matter to us. Okay. Now we are going to see any digit subtract minus any digit. So whatever be the number you take, it doesn't matter to me. How many digits it is, it doesn't matter to me. You can subtract any big number minus any big number and we can get the answer, okay, in an easy and very interesting manner, right? Just see, we'll say some bigger number randomly. I didn't remember the even digits also. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 2, 8, 5. So I have taken some 10 digit number like this. In the same way, minus 2, 3, 8, 9, okay, 1, 7, 2, 1, 3, 9. So I want to subtract, okay, this problem, or I want to subtract this number from this number, right? So you may think, so if you do in the normal conventional way, it will take a lot of time and you are going to get a strain a lot. Why? Because every time we have to check whether it will go or not. If it is not going, we have to borrow from the next number. So we have to put the numbers. We have to look over that one. Okay, so it will take a lot of strain to you. But here we are simply going to do the subtraction within a single line like this. See, okay. So start from the left. In the same way we did. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Here 2 minus 3, no. So 3 minus 2, 1 bar. Here 5 bar. Here 5 bar. Here 0. And here 1 bar. Okay, 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, and 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus, okay, 5 minus not possible. So 9 minus 5, 4 bar. So this is the number which we got with the Vinculum bars on them. Now we have to convert fastly these numbers. Okay, how? Now see here, just like we did. And yeah, if you see, a 0 came between two Vinculum numbers. Just like we discussed in the concepts, basic concepts, whenever 0 comes in between two non-zero Vinculum digits, okay, the Vinculum is applied to 0 also. So you have to remember this one. Whenever 0 comes between two Vinculum numbers, okay, so further 0 also Vinculum will be applied. Okay, now so this is the number which we got. Now see this complete number are going to have the bars on them. So just like in the same way, the bar before number is how much? 3. So that should be registered by 1, 2. Now the numbers are continuously having the bars on them. So apply R from 9, last from 10. So how much will you get? 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 0, 9. But lastly, 10 minus 1. So 9. Next, 5, 1, 5, 4 bar. Anyhow, so the bar before number is how much? 5, 1, 5. So this should be registered by 1. So 5, 1, 5 becomes 5, 1, 4. Okay, and 4 bar, its complement is 6. So your answer is how much? 2, 8, 4, 4, 9, 9, 5, 1, 4, 6. So like this, in an easy way we can do the subtractions. So thank you. Now we will see the next way of subtraction, okay, which we call it as match and mismatch method. Okay.